Right now, a machine knows more about you than your closest friend. Where you were 3 days ago, what you bought, who you messaged, what you fear, and you invited it in. Data centers, massive warehouses hidden in plains and deserts, consuming more electricity than entire cities. Every photo you upload, every message you send, every step your phone tracks, it all ends up here. But these servers don't just store your data, they study it, they predict you, they profile you. In the early 2000s, tech companies made a simple deal. Free email, free search, free social networks. All we had to do was use them. We never asked what free really meant or where our data was going. So I started asking, who's watching? What do they know? How did surveillance become invisible? I tried visiting these places, security gates, no trespassing signs, barbed wire. They don't want visitors. So I spoke to people who worked inside, and what I learned is chilling. Every click, every pause, every scroll, tracked, time-stamped, analyzed, to know what makes you stop, what makes you buy, what makes you angry. It starts innocently. You search for running shoes, suddenly ads follow you everywhere. But it doesn't stop there. Health searches, financial struggles, private conversations, all cataloged, cross-referenced, sold. And then there are the data brokers, an industry most of us have never heard of, worth over $200 billion. They know if you're pregnant before your family does, if you might default on a loan, if you're planning to leave your job. Then I found something worse. It's not just corporations, governments buy this data too. Snowden showed us the tip of the iceberg in 2013, but they never stopped. They just changed tactics. Now surveillance is a business, legal, purchased from the same brokers selling to advertisers. So here's what I learned. The server that knows everything about you, it's not one server, it's thousands, owned by dozens of companies. And they all talk to each other. Every app, every website, every device in your home feeds this system. Invisible, distributed, everywhere and nowhere. You have a digital twin, a shadow self made of data, being watched, studied, monetized 24/7. We were told the internet would set us free, connect us, empower us. But somewhere along the way, we traded freedom for convenience, privacy for personalization. And now, we're not the users anymore, we're the product. The question isn't whether they're watching, they are. The question is, what are we going to do about it? If you want to know how to protect yourself, or how deep this really goes, subscribe next time we go inside the algorithm.